Hi, I'm Rachel. I'm a senior product manager at LifeStraw. I'm going to take you through the deep cleaning instructions for your LifeStraw Go Series bottle or tumbler. I tend to do a deep clean of my Go filtered tumbler every few months. Start by pouring out excess water. Disassemble all of the components. Note the O-rings on the mouthpiece, filter, and cap. Remove both filters. Place the carbon filter to the side. Carbon filters absorb chemicals and cleaning agents, so you never want to clean your carbon filter with anything other than giving it a rinse with safe water. Prepare a bleach solution by adding 1/4 teaspoon of bleach to 2 cups of water. You can double or triple this recipe depending on the size of the items. This concentration of bleach is safe for use and is similar to the chlorine treatment of water. Place all components, excluding the carbon filter, in the solution in a bowl and let soak for a few hours. Yes, you can soak your membrane microfilter in a bleach solution, just not in soap. Remember to not put the carbon filter in the bleach solution. Remove all components from the soaking solution. Rinse the membrane microfilter with water only. Now give everything else a good scrub with some soap and water for a final rinse, including your stainless steel container if applicable. You can use a toothbrush, bottle cleaning brush, or straw cleaning brush to get into all the crevices. Blow air through the membrane filter to dispel the cleaning solution. Put everything back together, including the carbon filter, and resume use. For more information, you can visit our support pages on our website where you can find how-to videos, FAQs, and copies of our user manual. You can also email info@lifestraw.com.